Here at Minutes of Horror, I do not believe in coincidences, and Hurricane Beryl happens to be doing something rather creepy. Now, if it moves just a little bit more east from its projected path, it will follow the same exact path as the April 8th, 2024 solar eclipse. This hurricane will also follow the same path as Hurricane Harvey. Now, why I have a problem with Hurricane Beryl happens to be because a couple days prior to Hurricane Beryl, on Beauvais Island, we saw this massive air pressure build up on Beauvais Island just out of nowhere. This air pressure was on par with a Category 5 hurricane. It traveled east and then it disappeared. Just before this man-made hurricane that popped out of Beauvais Island disappeared, it had triggered an earthquake. And this is what I'm worried about when it comes to Hurricane Beryl. Was Hurricane Beryl manufactured to go a specific path? Go the path of the solar eclipse, because that path goes directly over the New Madrid fault line. We also do have to remember that one day after the solar eclipse, this massive anomaly appeared on Beauvais Island. This is all connected. The massive anomaly, Beauvais Island, these hurricanes, and possibly triggering these earthquakes. They are causing these mass chain reactions. The New Madrid fault line has had over 100 mini earthquakes 3 months into 2024. This is the most action the New Madrid fault line has seen in years. If you have been subscribed to this channel when I was talking about the solar eclipse, then you will know that I said we will see a massive earthquake strike North America. The sightings that we are seeing in 2024 eerily parallel the same exact sightings back in the 1800s, the crossing of two great solar eclipses that formed this X over the New Madrid fault line, the emergence of two different broods of cicadas, the appearance of this very rare comet they dub the Mother of Dragons. All these sightings had been seen in the early 1800s. Only mere months after these sightings had occurred, there were a series of massive earthquakes so powerful they are still in the top 3 worst earthquakes of all time when it comes to North America. Matter of fact, here's what's eerie. In the beginning of 2024, the USGS ran simulations a what if the New Madrid fault line were to experience a massive earthquake today. They were running totals. They were running calculations. The New Madrid fault line has a very good chance of experiencing a massive earthquake in the next 25 to 50 years. But what if a massive hurricane were to trigger it a lot earlier? Now, I am the type of person that does not like to throw out dates. If I say such and such will happen on this date and such does not happen, then I will look like the idiot, and people on YouTube like to hold you to that. But I am going to make a terrifying prediction, and if I'm wrong, you can hold me to it, but I do believe we are going to see a massive earthquake strike the New Madrid fault line anytime between September 2024 and mid-2025. Now you might be saying, Minutes of Horror, you are just fear-mongering this hurricane. But you can go back to my solar eclipse videos, all my solar eclipse videos, and how I connected the dots between the early 1800s and that earthquake to today. If this massive earthquake does indeed strike the New Madrid fault line, then we will know how it all started. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this channel and you want to see more, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please like, as any engagement does help the channel grow. Once again, thank you so much for your support.